Hello, and welcome back to the channel. As most of you know, I'm Topher. And for those of you who don't know and just randomly decided to click on my video, welcome to the channel. I'm Topher. Thank you for stopping by. So we're here to do a reaction, and we are continuing reacting to the Game Boy series. I've already gotten through, I think, 2 or 3 episodes in this reaction session, and we're just continuing down this train. So I got myself a little refill on my drinky drink, got myself a little snack, and we're just gonna keep on going. So last episode, so many things, so many feelings, so many more feelings I didn't know that I was gonna need to feel, but then it ended with Kai saying that I think it's time that we meet in person. Obviously Kai has some news he's got to tell Gab, that he's potentially moving with his mama somewhere that I guess is not closer to Kai and Pearl, but he wants to tell him in person, and it just seemed to make Gab super excited, and then Gab being super excited made Kai super excited, made me super excited. Everybody's giddy as a schoolgirl, and I'm ready to see where this episode is going to take us, so we're just going to dive on in.
Game.
Chapter 10.
Okay,
Passer play
your
2.
timer starts now. Category is movie.
English.
May kinalaman sa amin.
Dumb and Dumber.
Gaga? Siya nga ba tayo?
Mali ba?
Ilang words ba?
3 words.
Ay, mauubos na yung oras, oh.
Ano yan? Baliw?
Ay! Ah! Alam ko na! Crazy Beautiful You!
No! Tama!
Sabi ko na eh! My favorite Cat DL movie! Okay, Kai, ikaw na next. Ready?
Okay.
Timer starts now! Category is song.
I will always love you. God gave me you. Crazy in love.
Wow!
He ain't done
Alam mo,
nothing
wala
yet.
talaga pinapalampas sa opportunity lumande, no?
Ganun talaga. Every landi is a blessing.
Truly! Alam ko
Okay na,
yan.
ganun na yung baby ko. Sige na, ito na. Focus na. Game.
May kinalaman sa'yo? I love you, goodbye. Where do broken hearts go? Bleeding love?
Uy! Ano ko lang yan sa
Did he do
baby?
something to say love?
Wala,
Cause
songs on top of my head lang.
Ano yan?
okay.
Hirap naman.
Ay! Alam ko na sobrang obvious na eh. Living on a jet plane!
Tama.
Yun.
That was good.
Yun talaga, Pearl.
Ako pa ba?
Teka, ano namang connect nun sa baby ko? Ano connect nun sa'yo, baby?
Ano kasi, wala naman siya sinabing may connect sa kanya eh. Ang sabi niya, focus sa kanya. Ay,
Okay.
oh my God! I'm so excited for tomorrow! Tulog kayo ng maaga, ha?
Okay po, Mayora.
Can't wait!
Mas excited ka pa sa amin, Pearl.
Hey, baby.
Hi, baby.
Sarap talaga pahingang pagaling sa'yo.
Yung ko sa'yo. Alam mo kung ano mas masarap? Ito!
Sarap! Ano yung baby? Excited na talaga ako para bukas. Magkikita na tayo.
Okay, so this happening soon.
Oo nga eh.
Excited ka na din?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Ikaw nga nagplano nitong lahat ng to eh.
Siyempre. Mamaya di ka naman makarating dyan eh.
Asus! Sabi ka na rin sa akin.
Wala ka nga dyan. Uy, kailan pala start ng classes nyo?
Bakit?
Wala lang.
Ini-imagine mo na rin siguro, no?
Wala na naman.
Siyempre, pag graduate na ako, mag-work na ako. Tapos, pagkagaling ko sa work, paghahanda mo ko ng dinner. Tapos tatanungin mo, kumusta yung araw ko?
Lul, di ako mag-stay sa bahay.
Oh, baby, kalma. O sige, ako na lang sa bahay. Tapos, siyempre, galing ka sa work, sasalubungan ka agad kita ng kiss, tsaka ng hug. Tapos, mamassage ko yung likod mo kasi pagod ka galing sa work eh.
Lakas. Pakasira. Hoy, pwede kasing pareho tayo mag-work, di ba?
Sabi ko na, ini-imagine mo na rin eh.
Hindi. Sinasabi ko lang, pwede kasi nating parehong gawin yan.
Sa bagay,
Okay,
pareho tayong
babies.
working husbands. Pero syempre dapat sa bahay pareho din tayong caring and loving husbands.
Yan ka na naman.
I was gonna say, let's just meet first.
Di ba tinatanong ko lang kung kailan start ng classes mo?
Ganun talaga, baby. Tapos, baby, syempre, pwede rin tayo ikasal sa Taiwan kasi meron silang marriage equality dun eh. Sana all talaga eh, no? Baby, excited talaga ako para bukas.
He's so adorable. Hello. Hello. Alright. Yeah, well, yes. Let's stay in this shirtless phase for a little while. Alright. Hello, Kai. Hello. I like this episode.
Pogi naman ang baby ko.
Kulero.
O hindi ah. Parang aga mo yata mag-prepare. Paalis pa lang ako dito, dadaan pa ako doon sa isang ospital. Tapos kita na tayo?
Ayaw nga kasing nalilate. Hoy, Gab. Mag-iingat ka.
Oo naman, baby. Alam mo, hindi naman ako bababa ng car eh. Di-deliver ko lang yung meals para sa frontliners, tapos yung sa staff, si Pearl na yung bahala. Okay?
Okay.
Tapos baby, yung ano pala...
Gab. Hello? Uy!
Bitch.
Ano naman nangyari? Wala.
Don't you start
Baby,
playing with me.
nawalan ako ng internet. Palis na rin naman ako rito eh.
Okay.
See you!
Okay.
Nap ka muna.
Tagal ka pa naman eh.
Okay, baby. Get your beauty sleep.
Pearl!
Hoy, Boylet, ano ba? Anong petsa na, no? Kanina ka pa namin tinatawagan.
Ha? Hala! Napasarap yata tulog ko.
Ay, sabi nga ni Gav, paano ba naman kasi hanggang 3 AM magkausap pa kayo, yan tuloy.
Teka, nasan daw ba siya?
Nasa ospital na, pasunod na nga din ako eh.
Okay, sige, punta na ako.
Hoy, teka! Ang gulo-gulo ng buhok mo, ang gusot-gusot pa ng damit mo, maghilamos ka kaya muna.
Putik ko nga. Sige, wait lang.
Okay.
Uy, paalis na rin ako, teka.
Okay lang, baby. Balit ka pa ng damit, ha? Relax ka lang, baby. Hinihintay ko pa rin yung second batch na food na prepare namin. Kulang pa rin dala ko, eh.
Ha? Ganun? Gav, may oras na doon sa pupuntahan natin, ha? Tsaka pinayagan na nga lang tayo doon dahil kaibigan ni Papa yung nagbabantay, eh.
Akong bahala, okay? Kakausapin natin yan.
Cairo, grocery lang ako saglit. Dala ko yung kotse, balik din ako agad.
Laputik.
Oh, baby, bakit?
Kinamit daw kasi ni Kuya yung kotse. May paalam na nga ako, nagagalitin ko yun. Kainis.
Gusto mo sundin na lang kita dyan?
Yes.
Hindi, wag na. Di ba may hinintay ka pa dyan? Tsaka baka mapalayo ka pa eh. Saglit lang naman daw si Kuya eh. Baka pabalik na rin yun.
Sige. Basta pag matagal na,
London,
magsabi
don't
ka
you
lang,
screw
ha?
this up for me.
Sundin na talaga kita dyan.
Okay, sige.
Kuya, saan ka na? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, di ba? Aalis ako. Lutusan ako ni Mama. Saan ba kasi pupunta? Magkikita na kami ni Gav. Hala, shucks. Sorry. Ito na, cashier na ako. Abalang pila.
Oh,
Hoy, ano, hindi pa rin kayo magkasama?
Papunta na ako, kaso hindi pa dumarating si Kuya eh. Siguro subukan ko mag-book ng Grab, no?
Okay lang, baby. Sundin na lang kita dyan.
Sayang, baka hindi tayo umabot sa oras ng venue.
Oh, sweet!
Sit ang baby ka, ano?
Ang sweet dun.
Siyempre. Halata naman na gusto mo mag-special yung first natin. Oh, shit!
oh,
Gabriel.
Gav, what's happening?
bitch!
Baby.
Hoy, huwag ka magbiro ng ganyan,
Baby,
ah.
uy, ano ba?
Stress eating.
Baby.
Gav, I swear!
Ang sarap talaga pakinggan pag galing sa'yo, baby.
Gav, what the hell?
Tik naman. Ano na lang biro, hindi na nakakatuwa ah.
Hoy, hindi ako nagbibiro ha. Naplatan kasi ako ng gulong kaya bumagsak yung phone ko. Tignan nyo pa. Oh. Ayan oh.
I'm really trying my patience right now.
Thank God you're okay. Uy, ikaw talaga pinag-alala mo na naman kami.
Kaya nga tinabi ko pa tong kotse. Sorry na.
Ganyan ka ng ganyan. Basta alam mo na ako pinapahirapan.
Oh baby, bakit ka naman mahirapan?
Akala mo ba madali itong gagawin ko?
Bakit? Alin ba hindi madali?
I'll let you boys talk, ha? Bye.
Bakit?
Kasi gusto ni Mama lumipat na kami sa bukid nun.
Bakit parang wala ka naman sinabi na sa akin na ganyan, baby? Bakit parang ang bilis naman?
Kapag nagkita tayo, doon ko sana sabihin sa'yo.
Sure na ba yan? Baka magbago pa isip ni Mama, kailan ba yan?
Kapag pwede na kami mag-book ng flights. Kapag pumayag na yung bukid doon, LGU, gusto kasi talaga ni Mama lumipat na kami doon. Mas mapapanatag daw siya ron eh.
Ikaw ba, baby?
Nakakainis ka. Kasi napalapit na ako sa'yo eh. Hindi. Yung totoo, nahulog na ako sa'yo. Excited na ako sa mga plano natin. Sanay na ako sa'yo. Sanay na ako sa'yo, Gab. Na araw-araw kitang kausap, na araw-araw kitang sinusungitan.
Baby, pwede mo pa rin naman ako sungitan eh. Pwede naman wala magbago kung hayaan mo lang ako. Alam ko, malayo yung bukid doon, pero pag-ipunan ko, mapuntahan lang kita. Gusto mo sundan na kita doon eh.
Hindi, wag. Nandito yung buhay mo. Ayoko maging selfish.
Anong selfish doon? Desisyon ko naman yun ah.
Kasama mo lang yan ngayon. Paano kapag nagtagal-tagal?
Handa ako sumugal para sa'yo, baby. Sugal naman ako.
Sugal? Hindi kasi ito sugal. Hindi na tayo naglalaro dito. Gav! Gav!
Ano kaya nangyari dun? Tuloy pa kaya yun? Kita pa ba kami?
Pearl, tinawagan ka na ba ni Gav?
Hindi pa rin eh. Palagay ko nasira yung phone nun. Di ba bumagsak kanina? Ay, huwag ka masyado mag-alala.
Nasaan na kaya yun? Siraan pa ng sasakyan, bisit? Hindi na siguro tutuloy yan.
Ano ka ba? Marunong magpalit ng gulong yun, no?
Paano kung nagbago isip niya?
Alam mo, ikaw talaga, Boylet. Ang
Baka ayaw niya na ako makita, Pearl. Eh, paano rin naman kasi ako makakapunta doon, di ba? Tagal-tagal ni Kuya eh. Haba-haba doon ang pila sa grocery. Ang sakyan ko. Sobrang galit pa niya.
Pearl's she on her way. Come on,
Sobrang
Pearl.
disappointed siguro. Naalis
Come
na
on,
ako.
Pearl.
Pakisabi na lang sa kanya, salamat na lang sa lahat, ha?
Ano, tapos ka na. Tapos ka na. Alam mo, ikaw talaga, sobrang drama queen mo. Magkikita kayo, kasi kung hindi man, sayang naman yung pagpunta ko, no?
Huh?
Come on, Pearl.
I'm on my way! I'll see you in 10 minutes, okay?
I knew it.
Mag-freshen up ka na.
Hindi na, Pearl. Wag na, wag na.
You
Nakakaya,
love
wag na.
Pearl.
Hoy, Boylet! Papunta na ako sa'yo. Huwag mong antayin kalad ka rin kita palabas ng kondo mo, ha? O ano? Tumayo ka na! Abangan mo ako sa lobby, ha?
Sige, sige, Pearl.
Okay? Bye!
Pearl
See you.
is everything. Top tier friend.
Finally with Pearl.
Yes. I can't.
Pearl, kinakabahan ako.
Normal lang yan.
Paano kapag di siya dumating?
Then he's an idiot.
Paano kapag walang magic? Di ba sabi ko,
Cairo, my story is different from yours, okay?
baka magbago isip niya. Baka ayaw niya na sa akin.
Alam mo, dahil mo nga, Ash, no? Oh my God! Siya na yan! Siya na yan! Siya na yan! Siya na yan!
Go, go.
Ay, gaga! Hindi mo crouch! Wait! Flip mo yung camera. Gusto ko makita si Cam. Okay. I'm gonna leave you guys, ha? Okay, bye!
Thanks, Pearl.
I'm proud of you, baby boy! Bye!
San ba dadalhin
Oh, guys.
natin ang pagtingin sa'yo't sa akin hanggang saan lalayo ang ating
I swear to God, if one of them gets hit by a car, I'm quitting this.
para sa pag-ibig na mula sa isang laro. Para sa pag-ibig na mula sa isang laro.
Hey, baby.
Hi, baby.
Masasarap pala marig sa personal yan.
Bolero.
Hindi totoo yun. Ba't ka umiiyak?
Bakit? Koro naman
Isap ko siyempre.
Me too.
Sa wakas kasama ko na yung mahal ko.
Mahal mo?
Wala nang iba.
Guys, I can't.
O magkasalo ko umiiyak. May nasabi ba ako masama, baby?
Wala, may napatunayan lang ako.
Na mas gawa pala ako sa personal.
Gago! Hindi. Napatunayan ko totoo nga yung nararamdaman ko. Namahal din kita.
Swear to God, if y'all don't hug or something,
Oh, baby, ba't ka mas lalo umiyak dyan?
Hindi kasi ito yung na-imagine ko eh. Akala ko, pagtatabuyan mo ko.
Sira ka talaga. Sabi mo, sumugal ako, di ba? O ito. Di ko lang alam kung ano mangyayari sa atin kung mag-work ba to. Kasi totoo lang, takot ako eh. Ito, lahat na to. Ngayon ko lang ba naramdaman? Ngayon lang. Kaya naninibago pa ako. Pero ngayon, payag ako sumugal. Mas hindi ko yata kayang mawala ka. Baka na to Di na tayo naglalaro. Ako naman magtatanong. Pass or play?
Play.
Swear to God, if y'all don't hug or they try to piss me off. Now y'all already done told me that I need to stay around for the end credits. I've been watching all the credits ever since, so let's see what y'all got in store for me.
Surprise!
Ano yan?
Ano kasi, gusto mo na akong yakapin eh. Ginawa kita, para sa'yo, baby. Wow. Salamat, ha? Don't worry, na-disinfect ko na bago ka pa dumating.
Paano ba kasi yan?
Hindi, lagyan mo muna dito yung flowers. Ayan. Tapos, pasok mo yung kamay mo dito. Ayan. Pasok mo, baby.
To?
Oo, pasok mo lang, baby.
Gago.
Dahan-dahan lang, baby, ha? Kabila naman. Baby, pasok mo.
Sira. Eh, ikaw?
Pasok ka na. Dahan-dahan. Game?
G.
See, I'd say forget this damn plastic. Quarantine be damned, just give me a damn hug.
Oy, tama na.
Tama na, baby. Sobra na, baby.
Dugo, di pa nga tayo nakikis eh. Ulul. Uy, sige na. Please, baby. Please.
Paano?
Hindi. Dito din. Try lang natin.
Ikaw bahala.
Puso natin mula ngayon'y magkadikit. Mahal ko, giliw, di kita ipagpapalit. Ako'y nasasabi, ako'y nasasabi,
You don't need to hurry this.
sayang mo halik. Puso sa'yo, kunin mo na ako. Ako'y sa'yo, malaya na tayo.
Yo, I am so happy right now. I don't even know where to begin. Like what is there to even say? Like, the episode was just about everything I needed it to be. Like, yes, they tried my patience a few times there where they kept giving it to me and taking it away. Like, yes, they're gonna meet. Nope, we're gonna throw a wrench in it. Yes, we're gonna meet. Nope, London's gonna take the car. London, don't. You and me about to fight. Nope, we're gonna meet again. Nope, Gav's car breaks down. Up, we're gonna meet again because Pearl is a boss ass bitch. Pearl is top tier friend. Pearl is everything in life. Like, I don't know where their relationship would be if it weren't for Pearl. So we are thankful that Pearl is in the picture. Pearl is, I remember someone saying in the comments, Pearl's gonna, pretty soon be one of your favorite people. Pearl is, she is that friend. She is that down friend who, Pearl is everything. She is everything, and God, I don't know where this relationship would be without her. There's just so many happy feels in this episode. Like, it set off so many of my schoolgirl alarms. Like, I was just so giddy and just like the whole damn time just pattering my feet, and like I'm like a 12-year-old girl here watching this. Like, it's just so heartwarming, so beautiful to see. And then they finally got to be face to face, and it was taking a little too damn long for my liking for them to finally like get out of the damn street. Cause I'm sitting here thinking like at first when it was taking the long like slow-mo walk across the street towards each other, where that was a long ass little walkway. Like that was like 4 or 5 lanes of traffic, something like that. Like it was a long way that they had to walk. So I'm like, I swear to God, right now it seems like they're setting me up for like a comedy movie moment or something where somebody's gonna get hit by a truck, and I swear to God, if that happens, I'm done. I'm done reacting to everything in life. I'm shutting down my channel. I'm done. But that didn't happen. They got together, and then they stood there in the middle of the street for a little bit too long for my liking. I'm like, can y'all just like scoot over to one side of the street or the other and like go maybe on this sidewalk here and have this conversation? Like, I get it, we're in the moment, we're feeling each other, blah blah blah, we're going through our emotions, but at the same time we're in the middle of fucking street, so can we just take this over to a sidewalk somewhere and just hug, please? Y'all are killing me. Y'all are like 2 inches away from each other. Can y'all just hug each other? But I get it, we're in the midst of quarantine, we're in the midst of pandemic, and it makes me realize how much like I take for granted. Because like I'm a very huggy person, like especially like when I see my friends or whatever. That's just how I greet people. Even throughout the pandemic, whenever I see like my close friends and whatnot, occasionally like, oh, that's how I greet. I'm a hugging person, so I take for granted that, you know, there are people out there who maybe aren't huggy people, or, you know, like I said, it's their very first time meeting each other. So even though they've got this connection, they're still being safe, they're still following precautions and whatnot, and they don't want to risk anything yet. So I get that. But, you know, Gav was one step ahead. He invented the plastic hugging device, which is, as silly as it sounds, it made me so happy, because like I just wanted them to have that. I wanted them to have that sense of intimacy, just touch. Like the sense of touch is such an important part in a relationship, and it's not anything sexual, just that being able to feel them there, because like we've obviously, if you're watching this particular reaction, you're watching this episode, I'm assuming you've been through the first 9 episodes already, so you know what's going on, you know the relationship they have, you know how much they feel for one another, and you want them so badly to be in the same space so that they can experience each other together in person, so that they can do the hugging, the hand holding, the kissing, all of that stuff. You want that for them so badly. So as silly as the little, you know, plastic hugging machine was, it made me so happy so that they could get some sense of that. Just, and then the kiss. Like I said, it's not exactly what I wanted. Obviously I would like there not to be a giant plastic machine in between them, and so they can just embrace each other, hug, kiss, hands in the hair, all of that stuff that happens when you just passionately kiss someone you're in love with, because obviously they're in love with each other. Like they very much confessed that they love each other, and I'm so proud of Kai for him to be able to get the words out and to say it, and not only admit it to himself, but he'd be able to admit it to Gav. Because like I've said from the beginning, Gav has been, you know, full force from day one. He's not hidden anything about how he felt, and he lets Kai know. Kai, we can all see the feelings there, but he's stubborn in a sense, like me, where, you know, we keep those things to ourselves, and it's very hard for us to open up and let our walls down and let people know what's going on inside. So I'm so happy, so proud that he was able to get to that point where he's like, yes, I have these feelings are real, this is how I feel about you. It's just so satisfying. Like honestly, this could have been the end of the series right there, and I would have been happy. Like that was a very satisfying ending to the entire series. Their little mini date there, and their plastic kiss, and just obviously I'd like the kiss without the plastic, but yes. It's just, I just love them. I love them so much. So much. It's just, so I'm curious to see where the next, because I think there's what, 13, or you guys said like 13 and a half, 13.5 episodes in the season 1, so I'm curious to see where we go from here. If the rest of the episodes they'll still be together in person, or if Kai is gonna make the move with his mom and the rest of his family, and if that's where we're picking up next season, or like, I'm just curious to see where we go for the rest of this season. So I'm gonna stop babbling here. I'm so happy. yeah, I'm gonna stop babbling and I'm just gonna get into the next episode. So I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so you know when you're notified when all my shenanigans get posted. If there's anything else you'd like me to react to, be sure to leave it down in the comments and I'll get to it as soon as I possibly can. If you'd like to support the channel in other ways, you're more than welcome to join us over on Patreon. You don't have to, but you're more than welcome to if you want to. If you want to support my other channel here on YouTube, Everything Topher, where I talk drag, makeup, baking, cooking, arts and crafts, and whatever the heck else pops up into my head, you're more than welcome to join us over there as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love ya. Before you guys go, a shout out to my amazing patrons. I can't begin to express how thankful I am for your support. And if you guys would like to join us over on Patreon, the link is down in the description. I love you guys.